In this video, we're going to cover how to install Metamask, transfer funds, buy crypto on Uniswap using the contract address, adding the contract address, adding networks, taking steps to increase your security, and how to chart coins not available on TradingView. In Google, you can just type in Metamask, and it's going to be the first one. Make sure you're clicking this one. Metamask detected that I'm using the Brave browser, but you can come over here to download. And then as you scroll down, these are the supported browsers. We have Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, Opera. You also have for the iOS and Android. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click on the Brave browser. Takes me to the Chrome web store. Just going to go ahead and add to Brave and then confirm add extension. Now it's very important. There's a lot of fake sites. So do not search this in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Always go to the original site and then download it from there. Now this page automatically comes up. Go ahead and create a new wallet, or if you have an existing wallet, you can import the existing wallet using your passphrase. But for this video, we're going to do new wallet and then give you some information. Go ahead and read that and then click OK or agree. Now you have to create a password. Make this a difficult password. Do not name it password 123. Write this down, and you're going to write this down in 2 different places, just in case you lose the first one. This is going to give you access to your MetaMask. Do not store this password or passphrase that we're going to get to in just a moment on your computer. This must be written down. Then go ahead and click I understand, and then create new wallet. Now here's a video to secure your wallet. I strongly recommend you watch this. So never give out your password or your secret recovery phrase. No one will ever ask you for it. Not even the MetaMask team. Nobody will ever ask you. If anybody asks you for your password or secret recovery phrase, they're a scammer. Now, as long as you have your password and secret recovery phrase, you can install MetaMask on your phone, on different computers, different devices, and access your funds by using your password and your secret recovery phrase on that new device. So now let's go ahead and secure the wallet. And we're going to go ahead and write down our 12 words. And we're going to put this in 2 different places in addition to our password. So you have to do is come down here to reveal secret recovery phrase. That we can write down the information. And as a reminder, do not copy this to your clipboard. So now it's just asking to confirm. Make sure you wrote it down. So now you just got to type in the certain words that it's asking for. And then once you do that, you just click on confirm. And then now you successfully created your wallet. And just come over here to click on this. So now your MetaMask is installed. And you want to make sure to pin it on your browser. That way it's easy to be accessible. We're going to say next. And then this is what it looks like. Click on done. And then while you're here, you can click on all these things just to kind of see what's available on MetaMask. So we're going to say got it. Now I'm just going to exit out of this. And then here's our MetaMask wallet. We're going to copy this address to our clipboard. That way we can transfer Ethereum using the Ethereum network. So now I'm on my exchange, and I'm just going to go to my wallets, and then I'm going to withdraw so I can transfer it to my MetaMask. Now you can send any crypto you want, but you must select the correct network. So right now we just have the Ethereum network set up on MetaMask. So if you wanted to, you could send USDT using the Ethereum network. But right now we're just going to send over some ETH. Now when you're on the Ethereum network on MetaMask, you must pay the gas fees with Ethereum. When you're on the Binance network, you have to have BNB for the gas fees. Depending on the network, depends on the coin you have to use for gas fees. Now, even though it gives you different options to select for your network, if you use a different network, you will lose your money. So you must make sure you're on the correct network. Now, since I'm using the Brave browser, I'm going to go ahead and put my MetaMask icon. I'm going to pin it up here. So I'm just going to come over here to this little puzzle piece, which is the extensions. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pin it. Next, we're going to go to Uniswap. So you do a Google search for Uniswap. Going to come over here to launch the app. And then now we need to connect our wallet. And then we're going to select MetaMask. And then now all we do is click on next. And the last step, go ahead and click on connect. And now you can see on the right hand corner, it has your wallet address. Now there's 2 options here. One is swap. You're going to be swapping Ethereum for a coin. And you can also onboard money. So you can go to buy. And now you can onboard money using Uniswap. The fees are fairly high, so recommend onboarding it to your exchange and then transferring it to your MetaMask wallet. So I'm just going to click out of this. And then now you can go to select token. And here there's a whole bunch of tokens you can choose from on the Ethereum network, or you can paste the address. And to do that, you want to get it from a reputable site. Now, there are a lot of fake contracts out there. And if you use the wrong contract address, you won't be able to sell the coin and you just get scammed. So to get the correct contract address, you want to go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So this one is CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. And on CoinGecko, it has a section where it's new coins. And let's say, for example, you wanted to buy this coin. So all you do is you click on the coin, you come over here to the contract address. You can either copy it, you can add it to your Metamask. So for this one, we're not going to add it to our Metamask. We're just going to go ahead and copy it. Now, when you add to your Metamask, when you buy the coin, you will automatically see it in your assets. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and copy the contract address. We're going to go back to Uniswap. We're going to paste it in here. So it automatically copies it to your clipboard. Then now you can go ahead and select it. And now it's giving you a warning. Since it's brand new, it was only released an hour ago. It's saying, do your own research. Make sure you research the project before actually trading it. And then just click on I understand. And then here you can select an amount. So according to CoinGecko, it's trading for just over $2. So if we were to get 20 of them, this would be the amount that we would receive. This is the amount that we would be paying. And then right underneath it, it says one of these tokens is valued at $2.14 at the moment. The gas fees are about $3.41. Now, when trading on these DEXs, you may get insufficient liquidity for this trade error message. And to resolve that issue, you will need to increase your slippage tolerance or reduce the amount you're purchasing. Now you can come up here to the settings. And currently right now, the max slippage is set to auto. And then you can adjust these settings as well. So we're just going to do the drop down for auto. You can do a custom slippage. Sometimes you may need to adjust the slippage to maybe 5% or 10%. So if you do get errors, it's recommended that you go to their Telegram group. And on there, they may have recommended slippage 5% or a different number. So let's go ahead and exit out of this. And we're not going to buy this coin. This was just for an example. Now, there's two ways you can add once you buy this token. So once you buy a token with the contract address, you want to see it on your MetaMask wallet. So you can either do this, add to MetaMask, and that's what we're going to do now. You're going to connect to your MetaMask wallet, and it's going to say, do you want to add this token? You're not buying it, you're just adding this to your list. And then you would say add token. So that way, when you do buy this token, it'll automatically have it in your assets, and then it'll show you your updated balance once you've purchased the coin. Now I'm going to show you another way how to add the tokens, just in case you do have a contract address that is not available on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Now you can also come up here to the pinned extension of MetaMask and then import the tokens that way as well. Now if you go under search and paste in the contract address, it might show up, but in this case, since it's so new, it's not showing up. So all you have to do is come over here to custom token, do the contract address, go ahead and paste that in there. And then now it gives you the available information. And then now you can add custom token. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and go back. Now, again, we're not buying this token. All we're doing is adding it to our assets so that if we do buy this token, it'll automatically show up in our balance. So I'm going to go and do back. I'm going to exit out of this. And now we're going to explore more on MetaMask and increase our security. Go ahead and go to the three dots up here. And now what we can do is edit our account name. We can name this one main account, and you can add multiple accounts to this one MetaMask account that you have using your password and your passphrase. And this comes into play when you are connecting your wallet to different sites. So for example, let's say you're playing a game, a play to earn game. We can add an account under this one MetaMask using, of course, your password and your passphrase. And one account could be your main account that you hold most of your money in. The next account can be a play to earn game, and then you name that account with the name of the game. So if you have 5 games that you're doing play to earn games, each one will connect and only have access to that one account and not all of your accounts. And then it's also recommended that you have multiple accounts with your passphrase and your passwords. So you can have multiple MetaMask accounts with multiple sub accounts. So if one of your MetaMask accounts gets hacked, you're not losing all of your money. This is the same concept of having your money on different exchanges and also hardware wallets. So if something goes wrong with one exchange, you still have money in different areas. Now you can see our account has been updated as far as the name goes. And now let's go to the settings. So under settings, you can go to security and privacy. You can reveal your secret recovery phrase in case you need to write it down again. And then as you come down here, you can also add custom networks. So go ahead and click on this. And here's a variety of different networks that you can add. Now, if there's a network that you need to add and it's not in this list, you can manually do it. So if you want to add a different network, all you have to do is Google it and make sure you're on the trusted website to add the information needed. So right now we're going to go ahead and add BNB Smart Chain. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here to click add. And then it automatically gives me the information that's required. The network name, URL, the ID, and the symbol. So we're just going to go approve. And as mentioned earlier, we can add additional security by adding an account. And then I strongly recommend that you name each site that you're going to connect to. So if you're staking or if you are playing games, write down the name of the staking site or the games. That way everything is organized. And then you just click create. Right now, currently, we're in the Ethereum mainnet. If you do the drop down, you can switch between accounts. Right now, this one is blue, so this is saying what account we're on currently. And for added security, you can connect a hardware wallet to your MetaMask. And these are the hardware wallets that you're able to connect. We do have a referral link to the ledger in the description. And of course, that does help support the channel. So we talked about Uniswap using the Ethereum network, and the gas fees need to be paid in Ethereum. Now let's talk about the BNB chain. And this will be paid with BNB. So if we come down here all the way to the bottom, we can go to DEXs and look at PancakeSwap. And now that we're on PancakeSwap, it uses the BNB Smart Chain. And then now it's asking us to connect the wallet. So let's go ahead and connect our wallet. Let's go ahead and connect our MetaMask. And now it's asking us which wallet do we want to connect. With PancakeSwap, you will need BNB for the fees. So let's go ahead and click on next. And then now you just click connect. Now, since we're currently on the Ethereum mainnet, it's asking us, since we're on this site, do we want to change from the Ethereum mainnet to the BNB Smart Chain network? And we're going to need to in order to use this site. So go ahead and click on switch network. And to use this DEX, all you go is to trade, then you go to swap, and then now you can buy tokens here as well. And this is for the BNB chain. Now we're back on CoinMarketCap. And if we come down here, and we typed in cake for PancakeSwap, so the ticker is cake. We come down here, you'll see the contract address. This is the Ethereum contract address. Here you can add it to your Trust wallet. You click on this one, you can add it to your MetaMask. You go to more, you can copy the BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20 contract address. Now this contract address is different from the Ethereum contract address because they're different networks. And if you want, you can just click on this to add it to your MetaMask. This does not buy it. All this does is add it to your area of assets so that when you do buy it, it'll automatically show up as the number that you purchased. So right now, under our tokens, all we have is BNB, which we haven't transferred over any yet. And once we click on add to MetaMask, it'll show up under our tokens. Or you can copy the contract address link and import tokens, but doing this is much faster. So right now we're on CoinMarketCap. I did click on MetaMask that I have pinned up here. It shows me my tokens that I have right now. Of course, I have 0 BNB at the moment. So as soon as I clicked on MetaMask, the pop-up disappeared, but you can see that I have a message for MetaMask. So once you click on that, it's requiring an action for me to do. And same thing also when you're buying tokens. If the token doesn't go through, you're going to get a message up here, a notification. You may need to increase your gas fees or maybe even try again. So for here, we're just going to go ahead and click on add token. And then now our token has been added so that when we do buy this, it'll automatically show up here. Now, in case you buy a token, whether it's on the Ethereum network or the BNB network, and you forget to put the token address by importing the token, you still have the token in your MetaMask wallet, you just won't see it. So all you need to do is go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, find the contract address, add the contract address to your MetaMask, and it'll show the amount that you purchased. Now let's go ahead and add some BNB to our MetaMask. First thing we're going to do is going to go to our pinned MetaMask. We're going to click here. We want to make sure that we do the drop down so that we're in the BNB smart chain. Previously, we were in the Ethereum mainnet. Now you can see the icon represents BNB smart chain. And I want to deposit this in my main account. And here's where my BNB address, deposit address is at. So all I have to do is click on this to copy it to my clipboard. I go to my exchange that I have BNB on. I'm going to right click and paste deposit address here. And it automatically detects that it is the BEP20 network. But for some reason, if it doesn't, you do your drop down and you select BSC BEP20. And then within a few minutes, it should go into your MetaMask account. Again, just depending on the network traffic. And now how to chart coins that are not available on TradingView. The site is called Dex Tools. And right now we're on the Ethereum network. If we come over here, do the drop down, we have all these other networks that you can find. And for this, you will need the contract address or the name. I strongly recommend always using the contract address because there may be multiple coins with the same name. One is real, all the others are fake. So when you're charting, all you have to do is come over here to the full screen mode, and then to bring it back, just come back over here to the full screen mode and then click it again. So if you don't see any tools, you come over here, you hover over here to the lower left-hand corner of the charting area, and then you go to show drawing tools. If you get tokens airdrop to you, so that means tokens that you did not buy, there is a very high probability that is a scam. What they want you to do is they want you to sell these tokens, and you're going to see the value of them 5,000, 18,000, 68,000. So if you try to sell them, you always have to connect your wallet to sell. So if you try to connect your wallet, the scammer will empty your entire account. So do not sell these tokens. What you want to do is you want to actually click on the token. So once you click on the token, you come up here to the three little dots and you say hide. Again, do not sell it. If you found value in the content provided, make sure to smash the like button, leave me a comment in the comment box, and we'll see you in the next video.